guys, I've been trying to do this for a while. I know y'all saw the seats in there. I pulled them back out. Because I have some unfinished business. Trunk bed liner under the passenger seats, under the back seats. Let's do this dirty deal. I got clothes. In once this dries and cures. Can you even hear me? Anyway, we'll be back here shortly. So I picked up this dead barrier off eBay, and it's 45 mil. It's 37.5 feet of material. I've got yeah, maybe a roll, 3/4 of a roll, but this is what I've got done with it. And it's pretty good, especially with them new floor pans in there. It has helped out with the sound. Let's get this box open, see what this carpet's going to look like. Also has the jute, so that's going. All right, it's supposed to be molded, and right now it's molded to the box. Well, there's the carpet installed. I understand, I can remember now. It's been a long time since I've seen the carpet, but it overlays. And this little dressed up hem goes over top of the second piece, which is just rough cut, and it'll lay flat and look real nice. But anyway, there it is. So I can get this carpet laid down and it'll relax. As you can see, it's kind of contoured to fit. And so like before, with all the seats in, I've got the seats back in. I've got the carpet in. And I'm thinking about wrapping that piece in some fabric, maybe some vinyl, to match the door panels. Door panels, armrest, new weather stripping, new windlace, windlace on that side, weather stripping. All the windows have been redone. The rear kick panels, side panels, they've been repainted. I got to work a little bit up on the package tray up there, and the speakers. I haven't installed that. Driver's side door panel is in. Windows are all adjusted, lined up pretty good, as y'all can tell. Door locks work. I'm happy with that. I got to work on the console. I'll be doing the console. I'm thinking about wrapping it in some vinyl to go along with the back seat middle piece. That'll match the same vinyl as the door panels. There's been a lot of things going on with the project Modified Mustang here. carpet's in, the seats are back in, all the doors are fixed, the beautification process is upon us. Man, hit that like button. Be sure to subscribe, because there's more to come. We've got the center console, custom center console. And I'm probably going to try and wrap that in some vinyl to match the door panels. Man, it's going to be, air conditioner's going to be pretty. Anyway, you don't want to miss that. If you haven't seen any of the other videos on Modified Mustang, man, just go back to my channel. There's a playlist, 1965 Mustang mods. Everything I've done to this car once I started modifying. Thanks so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing. And don't miss the next episode. There's always something going on in the man cave. Catch you guys next time.